Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to our Kentucky kitchen. I'm going to be making a simple chicken and rice casserole. My mom used to make this. She would use a whole chicken cut up. I'm just going to be using some chicken breast today. I'm going to use my hands, but I've got hot soapy water in the sink to wash them with. So, it's 1, 2. These are big. Let's see. 3, 4, 5. That's okay. Let me wash my hands.
You can tell I grew up with Sesame Street.
All done. Now I gotta show y'all something one of our followers sent me. Her sister made these hanging dish towels so that my dish towel don't keep falling off my shoulder. I'm a little short, so I don't know if I'm supposed to have it up here or not, but it'll be okay. Okay, we sprayed our dish before we put the chicken in, sprayed it well. This is a well-seasoned old dish that we've had for many, many, many years. It doesn't look clean, but it is clean. Okay, we've got that. We have added the chicken. We're going to season with some salt and pepper. I hope y'all having a good day today. It's chilly here, so this is going to be good. Have the oven going. And you do preheat your oven to 325. It's not a very high degree at all. You can salt and pepper according to your taste. Okay. Now, I've got long grain enriched rice. It is not the, what do you call it?
Minute rice.
Minute rice. This is the regular. And you're going to sprinkle that over your chicken. And this will cook, the rice will, as your bacon. Okay, now we're gonna add, let me see, the onion soup mix. I'm gonna sprinkle it over it. Ooh, that came out in a big clump. But it'll all cook up in there together, so that'll be okay. Okay. We are going to put the cream of chicken over it. I apologize for having to look at my recipe this morning. I had COVID and I just got over it and I'm still kind of foggy. When this cooks, it will all cook over everything. So that'll be good. Sometimes you just gotta take some shortcuts with stuff. Is this anything fancy? No. Is it anything good? Yep. It is. Oh, my mom would fix this so good. I love when the soup and the cream of chicken soup and the onion soup, how it all comes together with that rice. It is so good. Well, make sure to get all of this how you can. Now, you're going to pour you a cup and a half of water over it. Might even take this and spread it out. Now, this is all going to cook up over it anyway, so This is fine. If you want to, you can mix the water in with your soup, however you want to do it. I don't think there's a wrong way. And this is just made from ingredients that we had here at home, pulled out stuff from the pantry. Had the chicken breast frozen. So, okay. Got that all done. Now, that's over the chicken. We're gonna cover this with tin foil. I can't say the other word, so it's tin foil to me. And we are gonna bake that for an hour and 15 minutes until the rice is tender. So, we will be back. Well, our casserole got done. Fixed some green beans and got a Cheesecake Factory dinner roll, which you can find at Walmart. And this is Eric's plate, so I'm going to let him be my little test buddy. And here you go, hon.
All right. Let's see. Nice. Hungry. Cheek. Let go.
He's doing the eye roll, folks, so that means he loves it.
Very good.
I hope that you all can try the recipe, and I hope y'all like it, and we love y'all.